Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create Facebook ID. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Open the app and tap on Create New Account. Enter your first name and last name, then tap Next. Select your date of birth and tap Set. Choose your gender and tap Next. Now enter your mobile number or email address. Create a strong password and tap Next. Tap I agree to continue. You will receive a 6-digit verification code on your mobile number or email. Enter the code and tap Next. Now add a profile picture by selecting a photo from your gallery. Adjust the picture if needed, and tap Done. You can allow contact permissions if you want to find friends. Your Facebook account is now ready. You can start using Facebook. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.